The new BISSELL CROSSWAVE Max Turbo Hard Floor Washer is out now. CROSSWAVE Max Turbo vacuums, washes and sanitizes your hard floors all at the same time, and it even refreshes low-pile area rugs. Always clean with fresh water and formula thanks to the two-tank technology, separating the clean water from the dirty. In the box, you'll receive the CROSSWAVE Max Turbo, the self-cleaning and charging dock, 2 sample bottles of biodegradable BISSELL formula, and the CROSSWAVE Max Turbo filter and multi-surface brush roll, now with built-in Fresh Start odour management technology to help prevent odours and maintain freshness. The full-sized bottles of BISSELL formulas, spare filters and additional brush rolls can be found in stores and online. The new CROSSWAVE Max Turbo has 3 cleaning modes: hard floor mode, area rug mode and the new turbo mode to tackle tough stuck-on messes by increasing suction and water flow. The new upgraded floor nozzle includes 6 water dispensers for even clean water distribution. And the new anti-streaking technology minimises streaks for the best clean possible across all of your floors. The addition of the new advanced digital cutoff means no puddles of water when parking the machine. CROSSWAVE Max Turbo even rinses itself with the included self-cleaning and charging dock. The new BISSELL CROSSWAVE Max Turbo is available at leading retailers and bissell.com.au.